Stop scrolling. If your credit limit is low, you're losing money every single month, even with a good credit score. And no, this isn't about begging your bank or waiting years. Today, I'll show you how Americans are increasing their credit limits. Fast, some in 30 to 60 days, using strategies banks don't advertise. If you want higher limits, lower utilization, and better approval odds, watch this till the end. Why credit limits matter. Most people think credit scores everything. Wrong. Banks care about credit limits just as much, sometimes more. Higher limits mean lower credit utilization, higher credit scores automatically, bigger approvals for cars, homes, and business credit, more rewards, cashback, and flexibility. Low limits silently keep you stuck. Let's fix that. Strategy. Number 1. Timing your credit limit request. Here's the first mistake most people make. They ask for a credit limit increase randomly. Banks actually prefer you to ask when. You've had the card 6+ months. You've made on-time payments. You've used the card, but not maxed it out. Pro tip: request a limit increase right after your statement closes, not after you pay in full. Why? Because banks review your reported balance, not your zero balance. This alone can double your approval odds. Strategy number 2, never ask without updating your income. This one is huge. Banks don't automatically know when you get a raise, new job, or side income. Before requesting a credit limit increase, log into your account. Update your annual income. Include side hustles, freelancing, bonuses, rental income. In the USA, banks allow reasonable estimated income, not just salary. Higher income equals higher limit potential. This step takes 2 minutes and changes everything. Strategy number 3. Use the soft pull only rule. Most major U.S. banks offer soft pull credit limit increases, meaning no credit score damage, no hard inquiry. Banks that usually do soft pulls: Amex, Discover, Capital One, case by case. Chase, sometimes via app, always request increases online or in-app, not by phone. If the app warns about a hard pull, stop. Never trade a hard inquiry for a small limit increase. Strategy number 4, the utilization reset trick. This is a power move most people don't know. Banks love customers who use credit, pay responsibly, don't carry high balances. Here's the trick for 2 statement cycles. 1. Use 30 to 50% of your limit. Pay it down to under 10% before statement close 3. Let that low balance report. This shows banks, I can handle more credit. Then request the increase. This strategy works insanely well with Amex and Chase. Strategy number 5. Product change instead of new card. Instead of applying for a new card, ask for a product change. Example: basic card, rewards, or premium version. Same account, same history, higher limit. Why this works? No hard inquiry. Banks often auto-increase limits during upgrades. Keeps your credit age intact. This is how smart users grow limits without hurting their score. Strategy number 6. The multi-card leverage method. If you have multiple cards with the same bank, you can move credit limits. Example: Card A, $10,000 limit, rarely used. Card B, $2,000 limit, used often. Ask the bank to shift part of the limit from A to B. No credit check. Instant improvement. This works especially well with Chase and Citi. What to avoid if you want fast increases? Avoid this. Maxing out cards. Carrying high balances. Requesting increases too often. Applying for multiple cards at once. Banks reward stability, not desperation. Realistic timeline. Here's what most people can expect in the USA. First increase, 30 to 90 days. Second increase, 6 months. Major jumps, 12 months of clean history. This isn't luck, it's strategy. Final power tip. Your goal isn't just a higher limit. Your goal is low utilization, high trust profile, easy approvals. Credit is a tool. Use it like banks do. Close. If this video helped you, hit like. It tells YouTube to push this to more people trying to level up financially. Subscribe for real credit and money strategies that actually work in America. And comment limit if you want my next video on how to get $50,000 plus in total credit limits without increasing debt. One last thing most people don't realize. Banks don't increase limits based on loyalty. They increase limits based on profit signals. That means consistent usage, predictable payments, and low reported balances. If you swipe once a month and pay it off instantly, you look inactive. If you use the card strategically and manage it well, you look valuable. Act like a premium customer, and banks will treat you like one. Your future self will thank you.